Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Open the XAMPP. Download XAMPP. Mm, what is your computer configuration?
I haven't checked.
Okay. I think anyway you are downloading one, right?
There is no download option, I think. Yeah, download will start automatically.
It's already started. I can see in your downloads.
Yeah, yeah, it already started. I think it will take too many time, so much time, 51 minutes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Looks like your internet is slow.
Pardon, sir?
Internet might be slow. Your internet.
Yeah. My internet, I think it's slow because so many people are using due to this COVID-19. Everybody is at home and using this.
Oh, okay.
You just show me, like after the session will over, I'll download.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you downloaded, so you have to run a setup actually. This setup is like a phases.
Hmm.
So the file whichever you are downloading is a exe file. Once you download it,
Okay.
you have to install some tools inside that.
Okay.
Okay. Once you install that, you will have a one folder created in the local disk, your local disk. Okay.
Okay.
So inside that folder, there is something called xp docs. Okay.
XC docs.
Yeah. So this is the folder where all your website files will be going.
Okay.
Okay. And before this, you have to download one version of WordPress.
WordPress
You have to download from online.
5.
You will get it. Yeah, anything latest.
WordPress
You can download
5.2.2.
anything. Yeah, it shows WordPress 5.4, latest one.
Okay.
This is a zip file. You have to download this. So once you have downloaded this file, you have to paste it here and extract it here.
Sir, why your screen is showing like blur?
What is that?
Your screen is not so like visible. Yeah. Now it's visible.
Maybe I think it's your internet might be slow, or I'm not sure. Okay, now you can see, right?
Yeah.
Okay, once you downloaded the concerned zip file,
Mm-hmm.
you have to paste it in the particular path, XAMPP and htdocs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you have
Okay.
to extract the file. You will get one folder that you can rename to any of your names. You can rename it like a Pallavi also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Once you did this, you have to start the server. So for starting server, normally you will get a script here when you install Windows, like in the old versions. Just run XAMPP here, you will get a shortcut here itself. By using the shortcut, you can start the
Mm.
server. Otherwise, in this XAMPP folder itself, there is something called XAMPP start. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
just you have to run the file.
XAMPP
That
start.
will
Okay.
start your server, and you can verify that by just going to your localhost. So
Okay.
if you got this page, that means your local setup is done.
Okay.
And you can also there is something called, see here we have XAMPP as an Apache server, one as a database, PHP and call.
Hmm.
That means using this server, you can run any PHP script.
Okay.
And this phpMyAdmin will give the database. So this is where
Okay.
your
Okay.
databases are created. Okay. And once you are able to successfully do these two things, whatever the folder you created, I have created like a Vishnu, right? You can create like whatever the name you have given.
Hmm.
Just give that path
Yeah.
and enter. Then it will go to the
Okay.
first initial setup.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we are doing this in locally, but in future we can do it in any domain.
Okay.
But means you can host in some remote server, and from there, this from here the steps will be the same. Wherever you go to the setup config, from here the steps will be common for the local setup and the remote setup, like in a cloud setup.
Hmm.
Only to get to this stage, you have different options. Okay. I just
Okay.
want you also
So,
to take
like,
part.
why we are installing XAMPP? What is the use of that?
So XAMPP is basically a server. XAMPP will
Okay,
make
sir. Like,
your your local system as one server.
okay, okay, okay.
See, normally
So
in the
if we
browser,
take, hosting and if we take hosting and domain from like from
mm,
Bluehost or GoDaddy, in
yeah,
everything we need to install XAMPP folder.
no, not required. Not XAMPP is only for local setup. If, for example, you have got GoDaddy, uh, I will show you something. So you will be getting cPanel in particular hosting, whether it is a GoDaddy or
Yeah.
Bluehost,
Or
Amazon, anyway.
Bluehost.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bluehost, DigitalOcean.
Yeah.
Wherever you take the PHP based hosting, you will get a cPanel.
cPanel. Yeah.
Yeah, let me. So the cPanel looks basically it's the same in every server.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have the file manager here.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Actually, I'm getting some resound.
Okay. The person who wants to try it for the WordPress and that particular person doesn't have any Bluehost or GoDaddy, that person needs to take this file XAMPP,
Yeah,
right?
no, basically, normally you will not test in the remote places. Like the live website, you will not test. You should have one testing environment for locally. So what we are going to do here, we are setting project path in the locally, and you will be doing all your development locally. Once you are done with the changes, you can export these local files to any cloud place or a live website.
Okay, okay.
So in the
Hmm.
cPanel, there is something called public underscore HTML.
Hmm.
This is the place you have your project files. Like how we have HD docs there, it's the same like this.
Okay, okay. Sir, 1 second, can you hold like 1 second?
Mm, mm.
हल्ला क्यों कर रहे हो तुम लोग? क्या है भाई? अब हल्ला करना फिर पूछती हूँ. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So this is the same path like how we have htdocs there.
Okay.
Okay, and
Hmm.
being able to download XAMPP.
Basically, we will do all the basically we will do all the settings setup of cPanel in the XAMPP folder, and after that we can export to any Bluehost or GoDaddy, right?
Yeah, so basically, this is like your test environment, because whatever you do in this
Hmm.
environment, that is not going to affect in your any online sites. Say for example, you have a site called some pallavi.com and which is live. You want to make some changes.
Hmm.
There are two
Yes.
things,
Hmm.
two ways you can make changes. One, you can log in directly in the cloud itself,
Hmm.
or you can set up the same setup in your local and you can test the changes. Then you can make the same changes in the live website, so that the live website will not
Live
disturb.
website.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Now I
So
understood
the
it.
idea for this is, you need not to invest now on hosting and all. You can make your local machine as a
Hmm.
on host.
XAMPP. Okay.
Got it? Okay. So I
Yeah,
just
yeah.
want to see whether it is downloaded from your end, the SAMP.
No, it's downloading. I think uh,
Okay.
61.4. Like I think 5 minutes it will take more.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Basically, as I showed you, there is a database in the local environment. You will also have the database in cPanel. That is something called
Okay.
phpMyAdmin. We have seen the same phpMyAdmin there, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So open the phpMyAdmin. So it's the same. You'll have the databases here. You can create your databases.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
phpMyAdmin.
Yeah. So phpMyAdmin is your database manager. Okay. I think we'll proceed from configuration now.
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. So we can opt language as English, United States. Then you should have database name, username, password, and host. Okay. This we can get from phpMyAdmin.
Hmm.
We'll do one thing. I will create a new database. Uh,
Database.
You can give any name,
Okay.
but you should remember this. And you say create. So you can see the database is created here,
Hmm.
but there is no tables actually. Right? You can see there is no tables actually here.
Yeah, yeah. There's no table.
Then let's go. So WordPress database name. This is what we are given. As you are doing it locally, you should give root as a
Hmm.
username, and you can give password empty
Okay.
and database host as localhost and prefix. When you are doing in cloud, or when you're doing in any live platforms or cloud platforms,
Hmm.
let me show you. So in the phpMyAdmin, before that you will have this SQL databases. Okay, you have to create the database and
Hmm.
should also create the user. because this hosting might be having a lot of users, right?
Okay. Hmm.
You should add that user to the database. So this is the change for local and remote.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. So everything is fine. We can run the installation.
Hmm.
So once you have given the correct database credentials and everything, then you will get this welcome page.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the starting page, and this is where your early steps of website will start. The first thing is site title.
Hmm.
So site title
Yeah.
is basically the title of your website.
Okay.
So we
Basically, we
can,
can keep the business name also as the site
yes,
title.
as mostly business name is the best one. If you, when you are talking about SEO, site title, whatever the keywords you are giving in site title will make a big impact.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
So you can suggest on site title.
Okay.
You're not suggesting. I will give one.
Creative SEO agency.
Hmm. Okay.
Creative SEO agency.
Yes. So this username is for your admin login. So you should have your website administrator, right?
Yeah.
So you can give your admin login here. So I'm giving admin and I'm giving password as, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Vishnu at 54321. So I'm giving admin as username
Hmm.
and password as Vishnu at 54321.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
Then your email address. So this email address is your administrator email address. Whatever the notifications, emails that comes to your website, that this is the main point of contact. This email address. Say for example, if you're hosting
Okay.
somewhere and you're given this email address, if you forgot your admin password also, you can change your administrator password by using this email address. Okay.
Okay.
So this email address is very
Hmm.
important. And you,
Okay.
I'm just giving test because anyway I posted in locally, so no one will get any email. And this particular feature, search engine visibility. So whenever you are working in a live site and which is hosted in a live server, okay, still if it is still
Hmm.
in test phase, you can ask the search engines not to crawl this site.
Okay.
Then you can opt for this, discourage search engines from indexing this site. So if you are not opting this,
Hmm.
means
Hmm. Okay.
the site should be in the live. Okay.
Means if we are not opting, the that particular page won't, like, my website won't be crawled, right?
Yes, exactly. Your website will not be crawled. So once you finish your development, then you can
Okay.
go back to the settings, and from there you can opt out this option.
Hmm.
Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Hmm.
install WordPress. Okay. So WordPress has been installed. Then we can log in with our credentials. So this is the login path. Your
Hmm.
project name and your wp-login.php. So I have
Mm-hmm.
given admin and password. I can say remember so that it will save in my browser.
Browser, yeah.
So it shows like briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Please check back in a minute.
Briefly unavailable settlement. Back in a minute.
Yeah. So this is our dashboard. This is like admin dashboard.
Okay.
Okay. So what basically the first page looks, the home page. Now you can see the home page. So this is how now the home page looks. You got it,
Your
the create your
screen
agent.
is, I think, pause. Yeah, yeah. Nice. So,
Mm. Can you see now?
systemizes. Yeah, yeah. I can see now.
Mm. So this is the other home page. This whatever the
Mm-hmm.
folder we have created in the HT docs, right? Now it has this home page, which you can see in your own browser itself.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, and the
Okay.
dashboard. This is the dashboard, admin dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
So I will just overview with the features so that from tomorrow we can start working on the other features. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because I just want you also to be set up and ready so that you can also work on parallelly from tomorrow whenever the class will
Yes,
start.
yes. See, yeah, yeah. True.
Because this is important for to go forward. That's all. And if you have
Yeah.
a cloud portal, like if you have a login with any GoDaddy or Bluehost, then we can work on the direct live set itself.
Okay.
So how you want to work? You want to work locally or in the remote one?
Actually, till now, though I have not taken
Okay,
anything like from any. Okay.
okay, okay. If you ask me, something called hosting Mango. This is very
Okay.
cheap.
Hosting Mango.
You will get under for 6 months. It will not be more than 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, it
Then I
shows.
can take
Yeah, yeah. Shows.
hostingmango.com.
Yeah. So because for testing you can use it like normally. It will also easy for you also to work on.
So domain also I need to take for that.
Domain, yeah, you should have one domain.
So
Domain
what will be their price
basically
like?
no. If you don't have a domain, you can open the site based on IP address. You got it. For example,
Okay, okay.
so if you got the hosting, you will get one IP address.
Okay, I'll get one IP address and I can open the domain with that IP address.
Exactly,
Right?
exactly. Yes. So you will get one
Okay,
IP
okay.
address, and you can go to the particular IP, and you can open directly the IP.
Okay.
Okay.
Hostingmango.com. Is there any way of getting the domain in a cheaper rate?
Yeah, there is a way. What you can do if you take from GoDaddy for first time,
Okay.
Go to Google. Okay, if you go through this ad, you will get for just 200 rupees. Only domain will be less. First
Got it.
time will be the less. Cost is less.
Okay,
200 to
okay.
300 rupees per annum. After 1 year, they will charge you more. That's fine. Anyway, you are not going to use it for a long time.
Okay, okay.
So you can use this. Even here also this
With the
domain.
ad, right? For
Yeah,
the
ad.
official ad. Okay.
You should go through the Google ad. These two you can try.
Mm-hmm.
So that we can work on the cloud system itself. Or like we can work on the live
Okay,
site
okay.
itself. Coming to here dashboard. Okay. So this
Then
dashboard has
there won't be any need for the installing this file, what we
nothing,
call
nothing required. Nothing. Straight away
XAMPP.
you will go to the no nothing required. No XAMPP, nothing. Straight away you will go to the
Okay.
you know the remote URL and you can start working there itself.
Okay, okay.
So you need not to have any software in your local system. Just you need one browser like Firefox or Google Chrome. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Then
So
I'll take one, domain or hosting.
yeah, that's good actually. That's a good idea. Okay. So these are like basically shortcuts to your internal features, like shortcuts to the widgets, menu, your pages,
Mm-hmm.
and customization
The
buttons.
new pages comment appearance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like a glance where you will get your total number of posts, total number of pages, total number of comments you have received.
Yeah, these I know, like I know to add theme, install theme, add plugin, install and activate plugin, then adding
Mhm.
pages. These, introduction part. These things I know. Yes.
Okay, right. Then we can skip them.
Because I got one project like that time I was I was not aware of anything in WordPress, and by
Acha.
seeing the YouTube only I I have done those things, and after that introduction
Okay.
thing I came to know about WordPress.
Okay. So so basically like your all posts are lies here. So you can add new.
Yeah, yes, yes. Actually, I have done
Mm.
on page SEO also, so I
Okay, okay.
know little bit
Nice.
things. Yeah.
Okay. So to add this URLs, site titles, site description, meta descriptions and all.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. I know that. Yeah.
Okay. So just we'll have a quick review so that what otherwise you can ask me like whatever the doubts you have in this particular dashboard.
But
We'll
sir,
start. Yeah.
actually,
Yes.
there was one website.
Mm-hmm.
But if there are,
Mm.
what to say? Hmm. Those websites were in the form of pages. Like in website, we add in the form of pages, right? So
Okay.
while
Mm.
doing on-page SEO, when I was opening the, for
Mm-hmm.
adding meta description and all,
Yeah.
that website was made on a DB theme.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
direct the pages were opening. So from pages, how we will do on-page SEO and all?
So it is not built in WordPress, you're saying.
No, no, no. That
So
website is
there.
particularly built on WordPress only.
Okay. Okay. If it is built on WordPress, I will tell you one thing. So you're saying about pages, right?
Then after adding pages, it was showing like title, section, header, text, like the
Oh,
thing which is on page, that those things were not showing on the particular,
okay. Maybe I'm not sure how they have built it. If you take this particular page called sample page,
Hmm.
okay. Um, so this is how your where your slug and the URL goes, right?
Yes.
And your featured image for the page. The featured image is like whenever you are sharing this particular URL, this particular URL wherever you are sharing, this feature image will be
Mm-hmm.
loaded.
Okay.
Say, for example, if you are sharing some link in the WhatsApp, one image will be loaded, right? If you
Okay.
take any
Okay.
link, www dot any link, if you're sharing one link with someone in the WhatsApp or Facebook or any place, the one image will be, defaultly you can see the image there. That image is coming from
Okay.
this
Okay.
page. Even though there is no image in the page, you can say you can
Mm-hmm.
use your brand logo as a feature page, so that wherever you share your blogs, you will get the brand identity as your this blog belongs to this particular person or particular industry.
Okay.
Discussion is
Featured
like
image. Okay.
you are allowing comments or not. If it is a home page, you will not allow comments, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you will only allow the comments when you have written one article or blog or some informative
Blog
things where
section.
you, yeah, where you
Yeah.
expect users to discuss something. Then you can opt for this
Yeah.
and
Yes.
comes
Hmm.
page attributes. So to edit for this page, title and all, there is something called plugin called Yoast SEO.
Yoast SEO. Yes, we do SEO from that only. Yoast SEO.
Yes, yes, yes. So if you have installed Yoast SEO, automatically you can add that particular. Uh, sorry, you will get a, options to add for site title, site description, keywords, and all that stuff. And you will also get the options of your
Sir,
readability and yeah.
can I show you that website WordPress? Like you are unable to get what I'm saying. But after seeing the website, you can analyze that what I want to say.
Yeah, we can see that. Maybe once we finish all the basic stuff, right? Then definitely I will look into the site. No problem.
Yes, sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So coming to today's overview, you can see the settings. So these are like crucial settings of your website. So what is
Okay.
your URL for the site? Tag title. So you can give
Mm-hmm.
some good title here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the title will come here. You can see here now. If you hover on the page, you are seeing the creative SEO agency and WordPress, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the title actually.
So it is
Tagline
necessary
and
to
title.
so it is necessary
Hmm.
to add keyword in a tagline.
Yes, yes. It will help you a lot.
Okay.
So you say you want to add
And
like a place.
okay, inside title as well.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Here also you can add
Okay, okay.
anything. Creative SEO agency in Bangalore or wherever,
Mm-hmm.
whichever the place wherever the business is located. Then you can say whoever the user is logging to your website, you can give him the default role. Okay,
Okay.
and the time zone, date format, time format, and yeah. So if you are working for any client which is in a different time zone, then you should be make sure with your time zone and the week passed on.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and we'll go for writing settings. Yeah, so basically, these settings are for whenever you are giving for your mail server. If you want to use your existing mail server to send emails, you can use this option.
Okay.
Okay, and ready. So as of
Mm.
now, your home
So
page is
basically,
post. Yes.
sir, in general setting, there was a URL as well. Mm. It was on the general page.
Okay. So yeah, this URL. So this will be
No.
basically your domain
After,
name. Whatever domain
after tagline, there was one option of adding URL, I think. After tagline.
after tagline, this is right WordPress URL you're saying.
Yeah, WordPress URL. There
Yeah.
also I need to add a keyword and all.
No. Here's your domain name. Whatever the
Okay,
domain
my
you are
domain name.
creating, whatever the live domain you are creating, that one you should add.
Okay, and in this section, sir, your homepage displays your latest post I'll opt for, not for a static page.
Yes.
Okay.
Where is this? Readings. Okay. So here, yeah, your home page displays your latest posts. So that we can make it like a static page. Whenever you have designed your home page, that page you can route here.
Okay.
Got it? So if I add sample
Hmm.
page as static page and save changes, then this has to
Hmm.
change. See now,
Hmm.
you got your sample page.
Yes.
Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah. And we have like blog pages. That's all you can see. So discussion is basically on comments section. What you how you want to work on
Hmm.
your comments section. Like say for example, you want to attempt on any blogs link to from the article, or you want to say like users must be registered and logged into comment. So this is crucial when you are having much traffic. You can use this option as to
Hmm.
get the customers information.
Okay.
Okay, maybe you can see the options. Like if you feel any doubts, you can ask me. So media is basically for the images, and you can defaultly give
Hmm.
your thumbnail sizes and medium size, large size of based on your requirement. You can set the size here itself. And permalinks is like your the site URLs.
Permalink. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So if you want, you have any custom structure, you can design also by using the available tags. And
Okay.
one more important is your in the appearance. You have the themes. Anyway, like you can add the new theme and upload it here. And there is something called customize.
Hmm. Customize. Yeah.
Okay, so customization. You can see you can add your logo here
Hmm.
and the site icon. Site icon is something here like this. These all are site icons for this particular sites. So this is a site icon for GoToMeeting. Every site have one mostly defaultly logo. They
Icon.
will have as a site icon. Yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe we'll do one thing. We'll wind up for today. Okay, it's already late for me.